The Promised Land. Hasan Kaygi is one of the most famous figures in Kazakh history. He was a musician, a poet, a philosopher, and an advisor to the great Khans. Hasan Kaygi was born in the 1360s. His father, a hunter, captured and taught eagles how to hunt for him. Hasan developed a great respect for nature. He knew how to hunt, but he was also well educated and trained in military theory. Living in troubled times, he gave advice to the Khans during conflict and peacetime. Hasan created a philosophy about values like justice and wisdom based on what he saw in the real world. He really cared about the Kazakh people and worried about their future. When he was quite old, Hasan traveled around the whole of Kazakhstan on his camel, searching for Zheruik, the Promised Land. He believed this was a real place with clean water, fertile soil, plenty to eat, and good living conditions. Hasan was over 100 when he died, but he never found the Promised Land. However, the legend says that he could only die when he had finished his work on Earth. And in difficult times when people might be in danger, he will come back. So that is why people believe that maybe he was never meant to find Zheruik. Maybe the idea of a perfect place and a perfect society is one which we must all work towards, like Hasan Kaygi did. We might never achieve our goal, but every day will be better than the one before.